Hey, good to see you. In today's world, where time is a precious resource, automation of routine tasks is becoming increasingly important. Speed and efficiency are key success factors in any business. With the advent of artificial intelligence and machine learning, the possibilities of automating sales processes have reached a new level. One of the most promising tools in this area is chatbot sales assistants, which are capable of performing up to 95% of sales work. What is a chatbot sales assistant? Imagine having a smart assistant who can do 95% of this work for you. It's not a dream, it's a reality. Your personalized sales assistant chatbots are innovative tools that can revolutionize the way you work. Your personal sales assistant chatbot is a program that uses artificial intelligence to automate sales and customer service tasks for your customers and your leads. It can communicate with customers via text message, email, or other digital channels, providing information about products, the benefits of plans, the benefits they receive, assisting with selecting, enrolling and purchasing subscriptions, and answering frequently asked questions. How is a chatbot transforming the sales process? Your personalized chatbot uses sophisticated algorithms for natural language processing, allowing it to understand and process customer requests with high accuracy. It is integrated with CRM system, databases, and other business tools to ensure smooth operation and relevance of the information provided. A chatbot sales assistant is an artificial intelligence program specifically designed to automate the sales process that can simulate a conversation with customers. It integrates with your messengers and social networks and interacts with your prospects 24 hours, 7 days a week. Your personalized chatbot is integrated with a series of videos that tell your potential partners in an engaging way about the benefits of all the club's tariff plans, the benefits they will get from buying the tariffs, and the specific money savings on each tariff. See what it looks like.
Good to see you. In this video, I'll show you with concrete examples how much you can save at World Travel Club.
Понад 1 миллион 400 тысяч готелей по всему свету. Путешествия на любой вкус и бюджет, от семейного отдыха до свадебного путешествия, от гастрономических туров до шопинг-туров, от одиночных поездок до поездок с друзьями.
For example, if you want to have a good vacation for a small budget, you can choose a vacation in Thailand or Bulgaria.
Chatbots Beach Resort to przytulny hotel na wybrzeżu Morza Czarnego, w którym można komfortowo wypocząć i cieszyć się pięknymi plażami Bułgarii.
Let's go to your World Travel Club account. Choose Sunny Beach, same date, one room for 2 adults.
W naszym systemie dostępnych jest 330 hoteli dla tych dat. Znajdź Chatbots Beach Resort.
Ціна для вас 812 євро. На 459 євро менше від запропонованої готелем після знижки.
Ваша экономия от рыночной цены составила 55%.
What tasks can a chatbot sales assistant perform? A chatbot can answer frequently asked questions about the club's products and services in different languages, freeing up your time for travel and leisure or other tasks. The chatbot can collect information from customers, create requests, and send them to the sales department. The chatbot can generate personalized commercial offers based on customer information. A chatbot can ask customers questions to determine their interest in products or services and pass qualified leads to managers. A chatbot can keep in touch with customers after they have made a purchase, offering them to upgrade to a higher rate, additional products or services, and answering their questions. Benefits of using a sales assistant chatbot. One of the main advantages of your personalized chatbot is its high efficiency. It can work 24/7 to serve customers at any time of the day or night. This reduces the waiting time for a response and increases customer satisfaction. A chatbot can help you increase sales by making products and services more accessible to customers, increasing the chances of closing deals. A chatbot can handle a large number of requests at the same time, which significantly reduces waiting time for customers and frees up your time. With the help of artificial intelligence, A chatbot can analyze customer preferences and offer personalized recommendations, provide 24/7 customer support, which can increase customer satisfaction. If a customer is ready to make a purchase, a chatbot can guide them through the checkout process, offer additional services, and provide information on payment methods and accept payments. A sales assistant chatbot is a powerful tool that can help you improve your sales performance. If you are looking for ways to optimize your work, a sales assistant chatbot can be your perfect assistant.